Now, in this question, we are given to prove that the left-hand side is equal to sec x plus tan x. So let us obtain the proof. We have that cos x divided by 1 minus sin x is equal to sec x plus tan x. Now, to simplify things at this point, we are going to multiply the left-hand side by the conjugate of the denominator. So we have this to be cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. We multiply by 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x. And we have to show that this is equal to sec x plus tan x. Now at this point, we have it that cos x times 1 is cos x, and cos s times sin s is plus sin x cos x. Also, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times sin x is plus sin x, minus sin x times 1 is minus sin x, and minus sin s times sin s is minus sin squared x. And this is equal to sec x plus tan x. So at this point, we can see that plus sin s will cancel out minus sin s, and we'll be left with cos x plus sin x cos x, all divided by 1 minus sin squared x. This should be equal to sec x plus tan x. Now, at this point, we recall that from trig identity that cos squared x is equal to 1 minus sin squared x. So at this point, we will replace the denominator by cos squared x. So therefore, this becomes cos x plus sin x cos x, all divided by cos squared x, and this should be equal to sec x plus tan x. Now, if I have a plus b divided by c, this can be expressed as a divided by c plus b divided by c. So therefore, the left-hand side can be expressed as cos x divided by cos squared x plus sin x cos x divided by cos squared x. So if cos cancel itself, we have 1. If cos cancel cos squared x, we'll be left with cos x. If cos cancel itself, we have 1. And if cos cancel cos squared x, we'll be left with cos x. So therefore, the expression will now reduce to 1 divided by cos x plus sin x divided by cos x. So at this point, from trig ratio, the reciprocal of cos is given as sec x plus, and sin x divided by cos x is tan x. And this is equal to the right-hand side, which is sec x plus tan x. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found this video helpful, please encourage us to reach out to more people by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for doing that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.